Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and I'm going to show you how you can check the number of apps that we opened during the day. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down until we find Digital Wellbeing and the parental controls, and we have to scroll down another time and then go for the app timers. So right now we can, for example, check what about the settings, because right now I'm record the tutorial videos, so I think that I open it a few times. And when you scroll down, we can see how many times we open it that app. So in my case 28 times. Let's also check maybe YouTube. It was opened 2 times. And what about the Samsung internet browser? Also 2 times. So as you can see, that's how we can check it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.